to our
live streaming.
room.
Yeah.
Yes, long time no see.
Yes.
Last broadcast is about last month.
Yeah, yours maybe.
About 1 month.
Yeah.
And today we also prepare different content and different products for customer. And today we will introduce inkjet printer, including the printing function and the printing test.
Okay.
It's about the different products. We mainly will introduce inkjet printers, including this one online inkjet printer with mini small conveyor belt, and this is a new hot styling model in our store. It is a mini printer. And another two models is handheld inkjet printer and with different colors in cartridge.
Okay.
Yes. You can compare with charging port and sensor interface. This handheld inkjet printer is also conveyor belt on the production lines, and the touch screen, it is convenient to operate. This function is to position the print position and the print speed, handle, and battery. It is a portable intelligent handheld inkjet printer with multi-core CPU and maximum 600 dpi printing. Also with 4.3-inch touch screen. Its price is also favorable for customers from different countries. For example, India, Pakistan, Egypt, and of traders on different regions.
Yes.
And this is some cases for the printer can be used. You can see it can print bottom of cans and bottle cap, box holding plastic bag, cable, and draft paper. It can be used for metal, plastic, carton, glass, ware, and different production line. Diversity. Could you explain it?
Okay. Our printer could print many different kinds of information, like text and date and time, and batch number, logo, and also we have many different fonts of the text, and also many different kinds of code, QR code, barcode, and GS1 code and DM code, many different code. Yes, and you can see from our PPT. Yeah. And not only just date and time, we also can set the date and time offsite to 1 year, 2 years, and for many different food, beverage factories to print manufacture date and expiry date. Okay.
And this is also introduce print content diversity. It can print manufacture date and expiry date, entity work, and virtual body work, different forms of characters, and graphic logo, automatic jump.
It's batch number.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
serial number. And this page introduces a print height of the printer. It adopts anti-clogging nozzle, and the font size can be 2 millimeters and to 12.7 millimeters. This is a comparison of the different fonts, 2 millimeters and 12.7 millimeters. They are different.
Yes, and and customers can print many different font information, like one line font and two line font. Okay, and no. This is show how many lines information can our printer print. Okay, just 1 line and 2 line, 4 lines, 3 line, 4 lines. The max number of the lines we suggest to customers to print is 6.
Yes, 1 to 6.
Yeah, 1 to 6 lines. Yeah. Different information.
This is an application of the printer can be used like light industrial, food industry, pharmacy, manufacturing, and commercial industry. For example, the food on the supermarket, you can print batch code, date code number, manufacturer date, and some food drinks it can print plastic bottle body or can. A bookstore, hardware, and wood factory, glass and packing.
Okay. Yeah.
So it can use different applications.
Okay. And we provide many different colors of ink for customers. You can choose black, white, blue, red, yellow, and green. And the cartridge have solvent and water base. Also UV and immiscible, many different kinds of inks. And our printer, no matter handheld or inkjet printer, also have many different kinds of interface. Customers can insert USB or many other different connector with our printer. And here you can find the capacity of our printer's battery. You only need to charge it 3 hours, and our printer can print whole day. Okay.
This is the whole packages of the printer. The size is very small and compact. It is only 2.3 kilograms, and we can pack in card box or in aluminum packing, different packing. And the packing will introduce these items. First one is a handheld inkjet printer, a main board, and units, stylus, and charger, battery, and suction clip, strings,
Yeah.
and ink cartridge.
Yeah. Yeah. It's many different spare parts. Okay.
This is humanized packing. It is safe, small size, and easy to transport to avoid damage during the transporting.
Okay.
Transport.
We also have suitcase.
Mhm.
This is our hot setting mini printer. It's KD360M mini handheld inkjet printer. And yeah, you will find the information of this printer here. And later we will introduce this printer in details. Don't leave our live streaming room. Yeah.
Next, we will have a real operate and
Stay here. Stay here, and you will find promotion.
Get your product.
You will find promotion and introduction of our
We
printer
will send
of our
you
products.
the product catalog.
And oh, this is a good teacher. You can find it's very clear. It's a very clear photo to show the the
Power
printer
button.
power button, and also it's the print trigger, and also yes, print trigger and power on, power off. Okay. And here is how to insert touch key in our printer. Yeah. Yeah, this page is good.
And the height is also adjustable from 2 to 12.7 millimeters. Automatic 1 to 9 counting barcode. Oh, it is also the serial number. And this is small size, so it can be used very convenient.
Yeah.
The village is convenient, and it is also the touch screen control, so flexible as can. You can edit with the stylus or with your hand.
Yeah.
And the height is also adjustable, as I said before, 2 to 12.7. And we also use the original ink cartridge. It is faster dry ink cartridge. So it can be used on different materials like plastic, bags, bottle, or some glass. This is also quick charging, about 3 hours charging.
Yeah.
It also can be used a whole day. And last one is precision printing.
PPI. Yeah. High accuracy.
All TIG printers with high PPI.
Of our products. And
Okay, and this is handheld inkjet printer. As I said, it can be used to realize automatic coding. You can use this one conveyor belt paging machine and stand base in the sensor, so it can be used online.
yeah, it has 2 different application mode.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, this is our online inkjet printer. Yeah, we will introduce it later. And this is the whole looking of our printer. It has a high efficiency touch screen, and it's simple operation. Yeah, and clear printing.
This printer allows 7-inch high definition large screen. It is sensitive touch screen and free handwriting editing. Built in multi-language, more than 60 language, so it can be used for all over the world for different countries of the customers, like Arabic, English, and Finnish, French, German, Hindi, Indonesia, Japanese, more than 60 language. Yes, if you have any special requirement, we can also customize for you.
And the printer support maximum 2 print heights. No, 6 print height. Yeah, our KD210 series. Yeah, maximum support 6 print height, and you can use them combination and use them separately. If you use them separately, that means you can print 6 different information at 6 different positions at one time. Okay, and also you can use them together to reach 7.6 76.2 millimeters print height. Yeah, it's very flexible.
And this printer can print packing carton, some logo, and medicine, medical, food packaging, and PPT plastic, GS1 data matrix. It is a special in advantage for this printer. And seamless stitching, it can realize multi-heights can be stitched in HD bold font and multi-dots font like CIJ printer.
Yeah, okay. This is the top 10 industry application of our customers. We do the research of all of our customers. And number 1 is food, and the second is beverage, and the other is cosmetics, medicine, PVC pipes, construction, phone cases, aluminum alloy, PCB, and chips. Yeah. The application is of our printer is very widely used.
And this is a packing list of this online inkjet and what you see is what you get. First one is groundware and power adapter for different customers from different countries, and host machine, RS-23 interface cable and print height, optical sensor in cartridge, and cross-mounting block, and some accessories, USB disk in the stylus and in cartridge tools, and some other tools, sensor stack, and stainless steel tube.
Okay.
Last while we will introduce our some certification for different customers. We got CE and ROSE and CE for especially for Turkey.
Yeah.
Turkey customer from Turkey, and ROSE and FDA is for especially for American USA customers, and some other certifications. It's not only to show our good quality products, also can help our customers to clear the custom. Yes, when a package arrive in their countries, they can clear the custom easily.
Yes.
Okay. And next, we can show some videos. Here. First one. And this is an open box of the hand inkjet printer.
Yeah, KD480.
This is position in place, and you disk and charger and the member and help. Mini printer.
Yeah.
Print on the plastic bottle cannot be erased. Print on the back. That's the back of you. Short. Last one is KB210. It is an accessories overview. And 7-inch industrial and some data connection part. Photoelectric sensor and original cartridge and some standard bracket. This is finished product display, multi-language. And sample. Okay, and now we will have a real operation for different printers.
Okay. And now let's do a brief introduction of our printers. Okay. And this is our KD480 handheld inkjet printer. Its body is ABS plastic material, and it's the touch screen size is 4.7 inch, and it's a very sensitive touch screen, and the print height is half inch, and we also have 1 inch handheld inkjet printer, and all parts is very durable and very stable. Okay, all the buttons are very high quality. Okay. 在这儿，你拿手机拿这个，同时在就是一会儿看看我说压一下。不忘了。And now I insert cartridge in it, and let's power on. It takes very short time to power on, as you can see. And now the language is Chinese, and we can find many different language right here. You can find Chinese, Mandarin, Cantonese, English, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Arabic, and Russian, many different language. Let's try to set it into Arabic. Okay. And now you'll see the system language has been changed into Arabic. Okay, and also the keyboard has been changed to Arabic. Okay, and let's try to print some Arabic information. Okay. Okay.
Edit Arabic.
Yes. Oh, okay. And print.
Oh,
Oh. It's Arabic.
so small but very clearly.
Yeah. Let's change this. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. This.
bigger.
Yeah. This side is good. Okay. Many different system language and many different printing language. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's set it back to English because I don't know Arabic. And next, let's try to print date. Okay. Today, 2021 in November 18th. Okay. And delay 1 year. Okay. 2022. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This function not only in our KD 480, also in our KD 210 online jet printer. Yeah. You can set the date offset 1 year or 2 years later, and yeah, and
Manufacture date and
yes,
expire
yes,
date.
with different information. MFD. Okay. MFD and ESP. Yeah, that's the manufacture date and expiry date. Yeah. The printing is not very good. Let's try to clean it.
If print result is not good, and we can clean the nozzle.
Yeah.
Spray some solvent on the tissue, and
Yes.
then
Pour the
pour
cartridge
the cartridge
on the
until two lines is
yes.
clear.
Yes.
Solvent or alcohol.
Yeah, solvent or alcohol is okay. And barcode.
发现我后台无法那个产品登录，这个等待又自动给我退出。直播吗？等我给出去。
今天能晚上吗？
找不到，可以打，但不能聚焦。
And here is QR code. Okay. Our printer can print QR code. Yeah. And that's counter.
So narrow. Oh. Serial number. Oh, counter. Initial from 0. Yes. Yes. Minimum is 0, 1. Okay. Initial from
是我这手机键盘挺拿的。
对啊，你怎么了？
啊，这个。
他明天不来了。
哦。OK。
现在还没走，你可以去问。在那儿呢。
And now let's print some batch number. Yeah. The first is number 1.
Number 2.
Yeah. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and it increase automatically every time. Okay. This is my favorite. This is my
Favorite.
This is my favorite mode handheld inkjet printer.
And the price is also good.
Yeah, because its price is good and printing result is good also. Yeah, with a good cartridge. Yeah, the printing result is very clear, and it has almost all necessary functions. All is in it, and the power on time is very short, and change language very convenient. You even don't need to change the system language. You just add text, and in the keyboard you can find many different languages in it. And in like if you want to print some Japanese, like this, Ohio. Okay. And you can see now the system language is English, and I just write Japanese on the keyboard. Okay. Ohio number 6, Ohio number 7, Ohio number 8, Ohio number 9. Okay. Yeah, it's Japanese with serial number. Okay. The printing result is very good and clear. Okay. Okay. And price of the printer is very cheap. That's why is my favorite handheld inkjet printer now because it's very popular in customers. Many customer like this printer. Okay, and next let's introduce this mini printer to our customers. First, let's insert cartridge in it.
It is small size and very convenient to operate. And it is very suitable for the round surface.
Yes, and you can see our company's logo on the screen, and we provide OEM services for free. Yeah, to all customers. And also, this printer only supports Chinese and English. Even though it's very small, it's very mini, but it has English in it.
And this printer not only support Chinese and English, and later we will add more language.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the future.
Okay.
Really? Yeah, so smooth.
Yes. Yeah.
It is also suitable for some small printing area.
Yeah, and the printing results is very clear.
Yes.
Yes, and this is some text with numbers. Yeah. Okay. And it has many different button. Yeah.
On the screen.
Yeah, on the screen, right? Like different function, file, log, and aid, edit, delete, citing, flash, exist. Yeah, and it can aid many different information. It can add many different information. Okay. Like text, image, time, serial number, QR code, barcode, and many different function. Let's try to print some text.
Text.
一直听着，我咋有胸膛呢？我看到。
And you can see there are many models in our store of different handheld inkjet printer with different functions and different price. And so if you are a reseller or trader or some end user, you can also contact us for more details about different products.
Yes.
Yes. Also, except TIJ printer, we also have CIJ and the laser marking machine, wall printer, and some related products like conveyor belt or paging machine. Yes. So if you have any requirement about any products, you can also send us inquiry, and we will have more details talking.
Yeah.
Frankie is editing the face type.
Yeah.
Text. Face type line. Face type line.
Yeah. This is the English information, English text printing result. Yeah, it's very clear and very good. And next,
So we introduce a handheld inkjet printer and a mini printer.
yeah.
Any others?
给你送饭的时候，看到桌子上那个料。
Okay. You can find this is the date. This is today's date, and here is the date 1 year later. Yeah. Today is 2021 November 18th, and the date below is 2022 November 18th, and the time real time. Yeah, and the first time I print is at 34 seconds, and the second time is 4 seconds later. Okay. The date and the time are all changing with real time, and we also have offset function. Okay. So in total, this main is very although it's very small, but the some basic necessary function is all in it. And here's batch number. One, two, three, four, five. In series, a number in series and changing automatically. And there are also some logo has been customized in the printer. Like upside down, like away from fire, away from flame. There are some there are some common logo in our printer. Okay, and you can choose them based on your needs, and it's very convenient for many different customers in different industry, in different business. Okay. Especially customers in logistics industry. Okay. So if you are interested in our mini printer, please send inquiry to our colleague. Yeah, to our store, and we will give you more details of this hot siding mode. Okay.
And the more quantity you ordered, and the better the price.
Yes.
Okay, and after introducing the handheld and the mini print, next we will introduce another model in our
Okay.
store. It is a customized
Online.
online printer on the conveyor belt. This is our conveyor belt. It has long using life. The conveyor belt standard size is only $170, and it can be used for several years.
Yes.
You can see the belt is very old,
Yeah.
but it still can be used.
This conveyor belt we have used for 7 years. Yeah. It's very durable. Okay. And now you see in the camera, this is our KT210 online inkjet printer, our best selling mode in our store. Our best selling mode in our store. And the material of this printer is stainless steel. And the touch screen is 7-inch, and you can find many different and useful interface. And here, they are this two is print head connector interface, and there are two different interface. One is output, and the other is input. And this two is connected. This two is connected with sensor here, and encoder. And this is the power. And also we have LAN interface and USB. Okay, and here is the power switch. Okay, and you can find our company's logo. No, company's name right here. And later when we power on this machine, you will find our company's logo on the screen. Okay. This is our company's logo. And we provide OEM services for customers for free. You can send your logo and company. You can send your company's logo to us, and we can put your company's logo in our machine. Yeah. Okay. And first, let's see the menu. Yeah. Now the system language is Chinese. Let's set it into English. Okay. English. Okay. Our printer support over 40 different kinds of languages, and now Now let's see the French system language. Okay. This is French. Okay. And this is the all function button has been changed into French. Okay.
你去发一遍啊。
And next, let's change it into English.
你今天主播还是老多天吗？
And this is the home page of our printer when it's power on. Okay, and let's unlock. And here's the menu. There are five kinds of menu. There are message, file storage, print parameters, motion parameter, and services. Okay, and let's see the file message. File storage. We can store 4 different kinds of information in our printer, like message. You can save some information you using most. You use most. Yeah, you can save some information.
Ordinary.
Some use most. Yeah, some information you use most. Save in the printer, and no need to edit the information every time when you use it. Okay. And also logo. Our printer can save many different logo in it, and the format is BMP. Okay, and also font. Customers can import. Customers can import many different font in it. Okay, based on your needs, as you like, and also data file. Our printer can save of data file. One is TXT and the other is CSV. Okay. And here is printing parameters. This mode, this 7-inch touch screen mode supports max 2 print height. And yeah.
Voltage is not incorrect. Voltage. Cartridge parameter.
This is 7 percent.
Auto.
Okay, and for DPI, we have many different kinds of DPI option for customers. The max is 600, and also we have 300 and 150 DPI. Yeah, and even 300 DPI bold and 300 DPI high speed. Yeah, for different requirement. Okay. And also.
我都发了，这边看不出来。
And also print delay. And also print delay. You can choose how many print height work at here. Like if you choose cartridge. That means only one print head working. And there are also double cartridge independent and double cartridge stitched. Okay. Two print heads working together or separately. Okay. And inverse and reverse. That means the information's direction. Print mode. There are five different mode.
Welcome, Paulo.
Print mode.
So many customers.
Wow. The first is standard.
Welcome, Steven.
The first
Steven
is
from
standard.
Australia. Welcome, from Turkey.
Okay. And the first one is standard mode. That means you can print different information, and when the sensor is triggered, okay. And the second print mode is continuous. Continuous means the sensor only trigger once, and the printer keep printing many times, and you can set
Welcome,
and you can set how many times it print. Okay.
customer from US. So
And-
many customers.
Okay. And the third is counting print mode. Counting means the sensor only trigger once, and the printer printing sometimes, and you can set the printing times. Okay. And the fourth is grouping. Grouping means some different information set as a group.
Yes.
Yes.
And they can be printed one by one.
Yes. And counting, the last one, counting grouping, is a mode combinant, counting and grouping together. Okay. This is print mode, and also cartridge parameters. And here we can choose the column selection, alternating right or left, and also the cartridge parameters. Here is 4 different cartridge parameters. One is manual setting, and second is alt configuration, and also the water-based ink preset and solvent ink preset. Okay. Here is a function named preheat setting. That means if you use our printer outdoor, especially in some cold climate countries, when the working environment temperature is
welcome.
very low.
Welcome, Liam from Vietnam. Welcome, Edna from US. Welcome, Air.
维也是越南的。
Vietnam.
Okay. And you can in case of the ink is freeze in a very low temperature,
Yes.
very cold temperature, and our printer could preheat the ink to a specific temperature, as you cite. Okay. And also machine system settings.
Welcome.
Uh,
Oh no.
we just introduced that our printer support
Welcome.
over 20 different kinds of language.
Yeah.
And it's not only printing language, it's also system language. You can that means our printer could use all over the world in many different countries. Even though customers who don't know English, they can also use our printer in their mother language. Okay. And here are many different information format, like date format and base format, month code, week code, alpha, hours, minute code, common text, product count, common setting, screen adjust function, and different parameters you can set as your needs. And in service menu, the password is service. Okay. You can choose the printing mode, like internal fixed speed and external encoder. Okay, that means our printer could connect with the encoder. Okay.
加餐。
人那么多，
再讲一会儿。
讲吧。
套吧，褪了，我们已经
套不褪了
褪了，
熬一会儿。
啊一会儿，反正得到的客户都是你的。
对你那边叮叮响，听见没哥？咚咚的，这就是你的动
你还想不想多要几个客户
Okay.
？Let's go on.
Yeah. Here's one menu I didn't introduce. That's message. After we click message, here is all the information we can print. You can see all the information we can print, like text, clock, field, barcode, QR code, and logo, shift, serial number, database, and GS1 code, weight, and random number. Okay. That's let's print some text like okay. Now I'm editing some information. Now you can see from the screen. Here is manufacture date 2021 November 18th and expiry date 2022 November 18th. Okay. Print message. Start printing.
这设定的参数不对，又来了哈。Welcome
Welcome,
Yang
all
Chen
audience. Okay.
Yang Chen Docker. Here is the.
No matter the speed, it's very clear.
Wow.
Yeah. Dot font.
Can we print again? I want to take a video.
Okay.
Sorry. Hello, Yang Chen.
Here is
Yeah.
those fonts,
Are you Chinese?
paper.
有外国人啊？比如说我就是正经一边儿。
对呀。这
海
写上。
这一个是拼写的呀。
Okay. This is great.
Yeah, it's very clear. Okay. And you can see this date is today, and the clock offset is 0, and this date is 1 year later, and the clock offset is 365 days later. Okay, and all the date is changing automatically with real time. Okay. And after text and clock, next let's try to print some barcode. Okay. Okay, you can see this is barcode, and the number is, and the number was I just editing. Okay. Print message. Start printing. Okay. The result is very clear.
Okay.
Okay. Barcode is very clear. Okay. And also this. And next, let's try to print some information which could change automatically. All right.
You mean database?
Yeah, database.
First one is.
The first one is DJLKSO. Okay, and the next is OIWEJP. Yeah, and after we printing this one, and the information has been changed, LKJASO, and the information we just printing is OIWEJP. Okay.
我答对了。
哦。
那行。
Okay.
Okay. And okay.
Okay.
Okay. And if you are interested in our printer, please follow our store and send inquiry to us. Okay, because time limitation. Yeah, it's very late in China, and we are going to finish today's live stream. And if you are interested in our product, please contact us. Yeah. So see you next time.
See you next time.
Okay.
拜拜。
拜拜。
最后一句咋了？